Gainesville. Round the corner from the pen, fat house on the hill. All the homies in the pen straight locked down. But I gotta get dressed and hit the Oak Town. I called Randy Austin on the telephone early in the morning, but he still ain't home. So I called Ant Banks and see what's up. He said meet me at the studio at 2 o'clock. I got dressed, smoking on some serious dank. Grabbed my keys off the table in a big old bank. I hit Interstate 80 and I'm rolling. Joint still burning and I'm smoking. I was on my